Hello everyone, Larry Satchwell here. The good folks at Cuckoo Bird Feeders sent me one of their bird feeders to review. It's a really partly cloudy day. We're expecting some rain this afternoon, but I suspect, like all of these bird feeders, they couldn't send it with batteries charged. And there it is. Ah, beautiful illustrated guide. Solar panel on both sides. I like this color. A nice sturdy frame here. So I'm going to take this in, get it charged up, and come back tomorrow, hopefully when it's a sunnier day. Beautiful day here. The battery is fully charged. It's time to add the little micro SD card. It appears it only goes in one way, so that's hard to mess up. So the next thing I want to do is turn it on, see what we've got. There it is. All right, it's looking for a network connection. So I used the QR code to take me to the bird lover device. I have that loaded. So I'm going to add this manually. There's my stuff I don't want you to see, so I'm going to black that out. And I want you to point the QR code and the camera. All right, there it went. So then you hit I heard a prompt, and now it is adding my device, Smart Bird Feeder camera number 2. All done. And there we are. So just quickly reviewing how to do that. You want to put the SD card in, turn the machine on, and if it asks you to reset it, right next to where you plug in the solar panel is a little spot. You push that in, hold it for a couple of seconds. Download the app, Bird Lover, and go through the prompts. It's going to ask you for your Wi-Fi password. Go ahead and give it. This is all encrypted. I feel safe with it. And then it's going to ask you to point the camera at that QR code, and you'll hear that prompt. Once you hear the prompt, you are set to go. This is already filming. So let's go ahead and assemble it. I'll put that part in. So all the hardware is included. If you want to put it in brick or stucco, they give you these little plastic things. There's 4 screws to attach the bracket, and we'll do that in a minute. There are 3 screws with large washer heads. That's for attaching the birdhouse to the bracket. And there are 2 screws that are small, and that's for attaching the rest here. So we'll do that next. That's easy enough. I want to plug the solar panel in, and then I'll snap the solar panel in place. And to do that, you'll want to put the solar panel in this position, and then it'll snap. And then it locks back here. Quick and easy. Now it is ready to hang up. Let's go do that. I'm going to put this on my squirrel-proof stand here. There's another bird feeder or 2 on it. I'll unpeel the sticker, put this on here. It shows me exactly where I want to drill. So I've got an 1/8 inch bit here. I'll just drill 4 holes. You can mount this either direction. I'm going to put it on like this. I like to leave the first couple of screws loose, just in case I miss the hole a little bit. I'm sure the sticker is correct, but my drilling may not have been perfect. Looks like the sticker's perfect, and so are my holes, so we'll go ahead and tighten this down. Now all we have to do is put this on top here. And you can't put this in wrong because there's a little pin here and a little hole that goes into. And I am going to use a manual screwdriver for this because I don't want a chance stripping it out. So these 3 screws will line up if you line up that little pin and the hole. Now, if you tighten these down too tight, you can't rotate it. So I'm going to loosen it up just a little because I like to rotate it to fill it. That'll work perfect. So it is time to fill it up. I have a general bird mix here. We have a lot of titmice, so I'm going to put some peanuts in there as well. Titmice love the peanuts. And we also have several bluebirds that have just fledged. Got one more nesting right now, so I'm going to add those, but I'm going to put those right in the tray here. Bluebirds are one of my favorite birds. So now I'll need some adjustments on the camera here, and that might take some trial and error. So now if we want to check what's going on, I can go to my bird lever. It wants to format the SD card, so I'm going to let it do that. That just took a second. It said complete. So here we are. That's our camera right there. Turn on the sound. And you can see my hand waving there and hear my voice. So we'll step away and let the birds come and see what we got. Well, as you can see, it didn't take long for the birds to find it. My friends at Cuckoo Smart Camera Feeder have even given me a code to give to you to get a discount. And this is one of the lesser expensive bird feeders out there, and with discount, it makes it even better. I'll leave all those details down below. Thanks for watching.